You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're not stuck because you're incapable. And you're not stuck because you're unlucky. You're stuck because you keep waiting for the perfect moment, for that sudden burst of motivation to strike you like lightning. But let's be real, motivation is a fickle friend. It comes, it goes, it's unreliable. You know what's not unreliable? Discipline. Discipline is the engine that keeps you moving even when motivation calls in sick. The most successful people in the world don't wake up every single day feeling pumped and ready to conquer. They have bad days. They have lazy days. They have days where they'd rather do anything else. The difference is, they show up anyway. They push through the resistance. They honor their commitment to themselves. So, stop waiting for the feeling. The feeling follows the action, not the other way around. Start moving, right now, even if it's just a small step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.